and multitasking. It delivers excellent performance in Adobe Premiere Pro and works beautifully with DaVinci Resolve. If you're a Premiere user, you can also consider the Intel i5-12400F. For GPU, the RX 6600 with 8GB VRAM is the sweet spot in this budget. It handles 4K timelines smoothly, supports GPU acceleration, and dramatically improves export speed. In DaVinci Resolve, GPU power is extremely important, and this card gives great value. Do not build an editing PC with 16GB RAM in 2026. You need at least 32GB DDR4 at 3200 MHz. Video editing consumes memory fast, especially if you're using effects, color grading, and multiple layers. For storage, go with a 1TB NVMe SSD. NVMe drives are much faster than normal SATA SSDs. They improve